let's guide you through the Precision Brewer's inbuilt features, including Auto Start, Child Lock, Standby Mode, and the Degree Indicator. Auto Start ensures your coffee has brewed as soon as you're up. Here's how to program it. Choose your filter basket. Use the select dial to set the brew mode. Fill the water tank and pop in the brew basket with mesh basket or paper filter. Add your ground coffee. Insert your cup or the carafe and lock the lid. Next, press the Auto Start button. Oh, if you haven't set the machine's clock, it'll prompt you before you can use this function. Rotate the select dial to set your desired Auto Start time. And finally, press the select dial to confirm it. Auto Start will now brew at the time you set. Want to cancel Auto Start? Just press the Start Cancel button. Remember, each time you unplug the machine from the power outlet, the clock resets, and you'll need to reprogram the clock time. Ah, coffee always tastes better when someone makes it for you. Next, we have the Child Lock option, which ensures the safety and protection of children. To activate, press and hold the Auto Start button for 5 seconds. The LCD will display CL when the Child Lock is on. To unlock the machine, simply repeat this process or unplug the machine from the power outlet. Now for Standby Mode. When set, the machine automatically enters Standby Mode after a period of no use. To set this, go to Settings, then Standby. Rotate the select dial to adjust the standby time, and press the select dial to confirm. However, if you want to enter Standby Mode at any time, press the Start Cancel button for 3 seconds. Another helpful feature, the Degree Indicator function, allows you to adjust between Fahrenheit and Celsius, which is useful when following international craft coffee recipes, and especially helpful for those in a different region away from home. To do this, press the Select dial and Auto Start button together. Release both buttons and rotate the Select dial to your preferred temperature measurement. Then press the Select dial to set it. And lastly, we have the Keep Warm function. This feature will engage as a default function for brew volumes above 4 cups unless deactivated. However, it won't activate on cold brew or pour-over modes. There's also a few safety notes you need to know about this feature, so let's quickly go over them. Anytime the Keep Warm function is on, the heater plate just here will be hot. Do not touch this plate after brewing. Be mindful that the bottom of the carafe will also be hot for several minutes after brewing, so keep your hands clear of the base and avoid placing the carafe on heat-sensitive surfaces. And finally, your pour-over kit or box cannot be used while the heater plate is hot, so wait until it's completely cooled. If you'd like to deactivate the Keep Warm feature, go to Settings on the LCD and use the Select dial to scroll to Keep Warm. Choose On or Off by pressing the Select dial. Once it's turned off, it will no longer engage as a default until turned back on.